Hi, I'm Lanita Medina, and I've been a Creative Memories consultant for a little over 30 years. And of course, it has been a lot of fun. So today I'm going to show you this idea that Rachel showed me. Rachel is a childhood friend that just signed up as a Creative Memories scrapbooker and advisor. Now, this little floral punch normally is for circles or for edges, perhaps. You've seen some cool ideas with it. But one of the ideas that Rachel came up with is to make this as a border, like to be able to make borders with it. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Now I'm going to hold this up close because there's a little bit of strategy involved in this. And I'm hoping that you're able to see it with the white paper. Some of the colors seem a little dark. Now I want you to see on the edge here, and I want you to also notice how I put this in. So I put it in this way, and I'm bringing it, I'm going to push it way over. Now that's way too far, so I'm going to push the paper back to that little round area where that round area just is starting, and then I'm going to press. Okay, now I'm going to turn the paper and get rid of all those little pieces. I'm going to do the same on this side. This doesn't show as much though, but you want to have it once again where the little round peak here or round area goes right to the edge of that paper. And basically you're just trying to get yourself enough room to make it to the edge. Okay, so now I have to turn my paper and I start all over again. So I'm putting my little paper right to the edge there, if you can see that. And now I'm going to turn my paper and do the same on this side. Scooch it over so, because I want to be able to make it to the end. And now turn it. I'm going to make it all the way to the end. And I've practiced quite a lot now, but sometimes I just barely make it to the end. Now you can see I'm barely to the edge there. So yay, we made it. And there you go. Yeah, maybe I should take that off so you can see. There. Isn't that pretty? And then all these little pieces, well, some of them are throwaways, but you can see the little tulips here. We can use those. Now I'm going to show you that next. So take a look at this border here. And I have a whole bunch of tulips left here from other times when I was practicing. And so just a couple of tips on putting little tulips on. So I'm going to put some on, well, might as well put them on this one that we made, right? I'll just attach that briefly. So one of the ways, of course, is our wonderful repositionable tape runner. So I'm just going to put some, oh, I better tape that down. Put some right into there, and one in the little tiny one. And then you can use the handy dandy tool. And I will use this little one that is aqua. Isn't that pretty? Oh, can't even see that. Let's bring that up. See, isn't that pretty? The little aqua one in there. So that's how that one is put in. And maybe I'll just put this yellow one in too, since we need a bigger one there, huh? There. How pretty is that? Now it's starting to have some color. Now the other option is to use your glue pen. And I like the glue pen because I can also pick them up easier. So I'm going to put some glue in there. Got the glue in there, and then I'm going to bring this over so you can see. You can pick these up using the glue pen. So I just picked it up, and now I can just plop it right in there. There. Very fun, huh? Now that was easy, wasn't it? How about if we put a green one? I have a green one here. That might not give me enough contrast, huh? But that's okay. There we go. Okay. So there we go. Now you can have fun making this for yourself. I am going to show you a few other, let's see, I know you had this one. This one has a whole bunch of different variegated flowers. This was another one. You can use the This one I used one of, that's not very visible either. Maybe you can see it down here. I used one of the wavy blade. That made that border real pretty to go with this. Also this one. Now this is one of the ones that I made a little bit of mistake on. I didn't start at the right spot. So you have to start right because otherwise you have a half turn rather than a full turn. But mistakes can be made into something pretty, right? So that's what I made with that. And here is another one. Looks good on the black. And of course here is a full page. Full pages are always fun too. And just so you can see how I had to practice, like that one, I didn't quite make it to the edge. So don't be afraid to just kind of practice and practice. But most of all, have fun.